In the fall of 2016, the world was introduced to a smartphone that would set a new standard for mobile devices, the iPhone 7 Pro Max. Its release marked a significant turning point in the market, as it combined cutting-edge technology with sleek design, establishing a new benchmark for competitors. Diving straight into the standout features, the iPhone 7 Pro Max possessed one of the most impressive cameras of its time. With a 12-megapixel telephoto lens and a wide-angle lens, this smartphone allowed users to capture stunning images with incredible detail and vibrancy. The camera's built-in optical image stabilization ensured sharp, clear photos, even in low-light conditions. The iPhone 7 Pro Max was also the first iPhone to be made water and dust-resistant, a feature that has since become standard in most smartphones. With an IP67 rating, it could be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes without sustaining damage, a significant leap in durability. Next up is the display. The iPhone 7 Pro Max boasted a 5.5-inch Retina HD display with a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. The display was not only larger, but also brighter and more colorful than any of its predecessors. It offered a wide color gamut and cinema standard colors, delivering a viewing experience that was truly immersive. In terms of performance, the iPhone 7 Pro Max was a powerhouse. It was the first iPhone to feature the A10 Fusion chip, a 64-bit quad-core processor that was 40% faster than the A9. This resulted in smoother multitasking, quicker app launches, and generally faster performance across the board. The iPhone 7 Pro Max also introduced a new home button. Instead of a physical button that clicked, it used a solid-state button that simulated a click using Apple's Taptic engine. This innovative feature added a new level of interactivity to the device, allowing for more subtle and varied feedback. In conclusion, the iPhone 7 Pro Max was a game changer. It pushed the boundaries of smartphone technology with its superior camera, water and dust resistance, high-resolution display, powerful A10 Fusion chip, and innovative home button. It set a new standard for what a smartphone could be, and its influence is still visible in the devices that have followed in its footsteps.